Good morning. Today is March 20th. I'm a little sick. Literally, not figuratively or anything like that. A little sick. I don't know what it is, where I got it, who's to blame. It doesn't matter. But I do have a load, so that's what does matter. Got a load going up to Lansing, Michigan again. Picking up same place as last time. Yeah, so I took my truck to Volvo yesterday. And it's, if you notice, the 20th, this is a Wednesday. So I didn't work Monday, didn't work Tuesday. I gave the truck to them on Monday. And miscommunication, I guess. I told them I just wanted the codes cleared. And then they were like, I called the next day and they're like, yeah, we're still working on getting it diagnosed. I'm like, no. Just clear the codes, please. And so I went back yesterday and just picked up the truck. He said, you're good to go. You know, you don't owe anything. It's no diag or anything like that. I'm like, good, thank you. But I also just felt bad because I know there was probably some mechanic that had to put his own personal time on the clock, you know, or something like that. Anyway, get a call last night or yesterday during the day. Hey Vince, my night shift guy just came back in, the guy that was working on your truck, and he says that he broke your cab fairing. And I'm like, oh, I didn't even notice. So he's like, yeah, we'll get you a new one ordered in. That'll be on us, of course. So I'm like, wow, good for you. Calling me when I didn't even notice. That's a good dealer right there. So Vomac in Evansville, it's a good place to go. Anyway, for now, let's get the truck all warmed up and such. Checked all the liquids and whatnot. It's a second ago. So let's get her cranked. And look at that. I don't know if you can see. No check engine lights. I mean, they're all lit up right now, but no lights. The stop engine light went away, and they also cleared the crankcase ventilation thing. So let me show you. Booyah! Well, ABS is on right now, but yeah, nothing else except that. But that's just because the air's low. So let's get over to this pickup in Lansing. It's like 3 miles that way. Here's a little tip. City driving. I know I need to make this big wide right turn here. I've been here before. You kind of just gotta own the road a little bit. You know, you're in a big old truck. Just swing way wide, take up both lanes. This way your trailer's not hitting anybody when you swing tight. Same here, you know, just take the whole road up. That was one thing I had to learn when I got my CDL was like, you know, hey, trucks pretty much, I mean, they own the road. Not in like an arrogant way or like a endanger people's lives way, but in the end, you know, this is how stuff gets moved, so people need to move out for us. Like, I'm not just gonna sit here and try to not offend any car drivers. Like, it's, trucks have priority in my opinion. And you have to think that way for you to get through some of these big cities. Like taking up, you know, crossing the double yellow is pretty much, like the double yellow for me is a suggestion. Like right now, there's no one coming. There's no reason I need to risk hitting this big pole right there. So I'm just gonna swing super, super wide. There's a car coming. I'm just gonna go. You know what I mean? He needs to stop. And look, I barely cleared my curb on that side by about maybe 8 inches. So that's the thing. I was saying it seemed excessive, but you know, that car was there too. But anyway, so here I'm at my place, but just keep that in mind. You know, you need to take up your room. Take up the room. It's not worth all the curbs and poles that you'd hit by trying to be polite. She said 4 or 5. Good to hear. My mother-in-law was saying last week they canceled, so I was hoping they didn't cancel again. Kind of messed up my plans a little. Still looking for some load, something to come back to Evansville area. So far I've got nothing. I don't know, like I said, I'm sick a little bit. I was turning in my taxes last night. Apparently if you're an S-Corp business setup, you need to do your taxes earlier. I had no idea. So yeah, I didn't get it done before the deadline, so we will see what they say to me. I left this metal in here because I was gonna use it to patch up my other trailer. So I'll probably hop in there and put it behind the metal barring. But yeah, there's the trailer. So the insurance company did get back to me, and they're gonna pay for that spot they put in the trailer, the dent. So that'll be nice. It's $2,600, something like that. That's pretty cool. We'll see what I do to fix it. Hopefully I can fix it in less than that, and then I can keep the money. We'll see. Booyah. Green time. All right, load it up. I'm gonna head back home to the lot. Because I'm sick. I'm gonna go home. So let's get the truck pulled out and doors shut and all that stuff. Yeah, beautiful day. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful day. What are you guys up to? What do you guys do? I want to know. I want to know what people are doing. I mean, obviously, if you're watching this, you're watching a video, but who's to say you're not doing something else? Okay, so I asked her today what it is, because I've done it before. I don't know what it is. Look at all that freight. So much freight. What am I gonna do with all this freight? She said it's caulking. Caulking. Whatever. I like this run. I've done it many times. It's light. The pick is real easy. It's just 2 docks. And just, get in, get loaded real quick. They don't waste your time all day. And then unload's the same way. I got unloaded in like 30 minutes, 60 minutes last time. And other than the fact that he made me, last time it was a fiasco. If you watch that video, I'm gonna get on back. Probably won't film any of it. Maybe any of it, some of it. I don't know. Who knows? What time is it? It is right now 10:44. Probably be home by 11:20. I'll probably leave out like 1 or 2. Just say bye to my wife and kids. But if I'm sick, I don't want to get them sick. So I'm probably not gonna. Can't do that much. I can't spend so much time with them or anything. Woo! Excuse me. So we'll see. I might just head out, get there and take a good old rest before tomorrow morning. Look for loads, work, all that. Anyway, so yeah, catch you then. What's going on? Currently 2 o'clock. Gonna get headed out here, going to Lansing. Wanted to leave maybe a little earlier, but just felt good being at home. Still kind of sick-ish. I don't know. Hard to tell. I just feel a little stuffy up top. Stomach's a little queasy. I pounded like 8 pieces of toast. So we'll see how the day goes. Hopefully everything's good. For now, let's get her started up. Oh yeah. Hopefully it's smooth sailing. Stopped to get some pretzels because I still feel kind of sick. I just like felt like snacking on something. I almost never eat while I'm driving, but I don't know. My body's just hungry for something salty, so I'm gonna keep on cruising. Stop with this Petro here. I don't know what it is about me being sick, but I'm really feeling like some Sour Patch Kids or some Swedish Fish or something. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I think this is the entrance. I'm sure I can enter here. Yeah, I'll get something, man. I don't know. It's beautiful out right now, though. Beautiful drive. I know it's a real spot, but man, I would never park in this spot. If you have your own truck, you do not want your nose taken off by someone trying to come in, get fuel, or whatever they're gonna do. I don't know. People are too crazy for me to trust a spot like that. But anyway, got some Swedish Fish, so let's hit the road. All right, here we are, Lansing, Michigan. I'm gonna enjoy this sleep. My sick butt needs some sleep. Tomorrow morning, gonna get it loaded, same as last time if you saw that video. And then I did get a load earlier today. I didn't say anything about it. I don't know why not. Just realized it's a load of water picking up in Allendale, Michigan, about 90 miles away, I think. And it's going down to Evansville, Indiana. Sweet. Guess where? It's one of the last places I dropped them in Evansville, I mean. Sam's Club. That's right. The same one from that video where I said however many per mile for Walmart, blah, blah. Now it's only going to be about $2 a mile. So, it's like $9.75, I think, is what they'll be paying on that. And with my deadhead, it's actually... I say earlier, 90 miles. No, it's only 80 miles. 82 miles and 418 loaded miles. 82 miles deadhead, 418 miles loaded, for a total of 500 miles. So not quite $2 a mile, almost. Very close, $25 away. So anyway, really glad to have that one lined up. Hopefully everything goes well with that. You know, that'll be a good set of loads. But yeah, I'm gonna make sure my logs turn off real quick. So yeah, good set of loads. It'll be a good week. Even just running this stuff, I might not do anything Friday. So we will see. We will see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope to catch you on the next one.